Hi, my name's Roxanne. This is my submission to day one of Andrew Huang's production course from monthly.com. The first part of the course is that I give my background, so it's right there. I'm a musician and piano trumpet teacher living in the Bay. I played trumpet in band all throughout junior high school, and college, and I wrote music during that time too for the ensembles that I was in. So when I got to college, I decided to major in music composition, and I even went on to get my master's, which was great for my music theory and knowing how to write scores and work with ensembles in real life. But since graduating, I've gotten super interested in working in DAWs and doing electronic digital music. I'm interested in learning more of the gritty, nitty-gritty details behind music production, like mixing and mastering. Working with sends is new to me, and I think Andrew is a great teacher in his YouTube videos, so I'm interested in learning what his course has to teach. So it was really fun getting to check out the Spitfire audio samples that Andrew recommends in his course. They're free and they have a lot of different options. It wasn't that hard to figure out how to download them and use them with Logic, which is super cool. I decided to layer a few different instruments. I started with the cello sounds, and they didn't have the attack that I wanted, but I love the tone quality. So I added other instruments to try to get more of an attack so you could really feel where the meter is. And I ended up choosing Music Box to have more of an attack sounds. I followed some of Andrew's advice and played with the EQ and the effects, which created an ambiance. I was interested in trying the ping pong effect that was mentioned. I couldn't figure out how to do it. If anyone has used a ping pong effect in Logic, maybe with this delay designer, you should leave a comment and help everyone, the whole world. And that's it for day one. Thank you for tuning in.